So today we're going to be making gluten-free cupcakes, and my daughter is here to assist and actually do most of the work. So first thing we need to do is fill them up. You're just going for a variation of different colours?
Yeah, just using it.
Which one's your favourite colour?
I quite like the purple in this one.
So what are these? These are like pastel cupcake cases.
Yeah, apparently.
Nice. And you're going to go for that. Okay, good stuff. So that's the first step done. So next step, we need to add 100 grams of the sugar. So if I'm going to pour that in, please. And we've not got quite enough. But I tell you what, let's leave it at that, because less sugar is better for you. So we'll leave it at 58 grams. Next thing we need to do is 100 grams of unsalted butter. So yeah, if you could roughly cut off what you think might be 100 grams. We say we think we know it might be 100 grams because you've got a bit some indication on the unsalted butter as well. So yeah, let me give you a hand there. Yeah, let go. God, it's tough to cut through. So we do that. Oh, pop it in this one. Oh, could you put the scales underneath, please? And reset it, thank you. So, oh, 92. Not bad. So let's just do that. 96. We're being perfectionist here. I think we might be. So if this doesn't make it to 100, then we'll just leave it at that. Oh, look at that. Great. Right, so what we do now is put it in the microwave. Okay, so the setting's on defrost, which is good. So if you want to just turn the top one to about the 1, we don't need it to be too long. So just give it a moment. Yeah, it's looking good. So if you bring it over and you want to pour it into the sugar. Next step, you need to mix them together. So hopefully it will mix better now that it's melted. That's it, give it a good stir. Next step is cracking in the 2 eggs. I'm going to do this because I think Hannah's doesn't want to get her hands covered in eggs, which is fine. So 1. Always manage to get eggshells in it. The best way to get eggshell out is using eggshell. It's a bit easier because it's got the mixture in there too. And the second one. So I could do this without getting any eggshells in it. Bullseye. Okay.
Smooth.
Nice and smooth, looks good. Well done. Next thing, you need to add the vanilla extract. It's always nice to give it a little hint of vanilla, I think. So you can add the lot because there's only a little bit left in there.
All of that?
Yes.
Okay.
So the next thing, we need to put the self-raising flour in. So if you can put the bowl on the scales, and then you're going to be measuring 100 grams of the self-raising gluten-free flour. Okay, so.
Wait, 100?
Yeah, spot on, well done.
Dusty.
And if you can mix it in, please.
Actually, maybe I should take it off
Oh, yeah, that's good. That was a good idea. Okay, so you want to mix it in so the flour is all mixed in and there's no lumps. So, right, so the next thing we're going to do is put the mixture into the cupcake cases. So what I do is literally just get this amount, let it drip, put it in, and then just drop it in. Do the next one. It's okay if there's a little bit of mess. Always mess. Okay. And then I'm gonna let you have a go. Over to you. So that's it. Probably do a little bit more in there. And then very quickly let it drip. And then move it over to one of the cupcakes and pour it in. Excellent. So we'll continue this process until they're all filled up. So they're all filled up now, which looks good. We had a little bit of spillage, but cleaned up a little bit and put some of the mixture that was spilled into the cases. So if you could just go round and just sort of spread out the mixture a little bit, just like that. Yeah, looks good. Doesn't need to be a work of art because they're going to get cooked and they're going to rise anyway because they've got the self-raising flour. But yeah, looks great. So the final step is to put these cupcakes into the oven. We've got the gas mark on at 180 degrees and they need to be baked for 20 minutes. So I'm going to put them into the oven now and we will see what they look like after. Oven is beeping, so the cupcakes are ready. So I'm going to turn that off, stop that. Let's have a little look. Turn the oven off. And, ooh, they look good, and that has a lot of steam. Let that clear, and there we go. Let's get them out, shall we? Here we have it. Here are all the cakes, and I think they look really good.
Yummy.
They do. So what we do now is we let them cool down. We'll leave them in the cupcakes in the cases, and then when they're cool, we can take them. Well, you can either leave them in the cases, or we can take them out and then freeze them, and they will keep for a good amount of time. They will make good snacks for lunches, days out, and yeah, there we go.